everybody, Monty. Tuesday, November 10th. We just had a class discussion. We're wrapping up circles, and I wanted you to agree that the conjecture that a central angle is equal to the arc. I think you agree. Then we did a little study about an inscribed angle and the conjecture that an inscribed angle is half of the arc. So if we go this direction, it's half. If we go this direction, we double. Okay? And I think a lot of you agree. Let's go do the practice. Now in our solo activity, we had to use some vocabulary. Okay, so let's just do a couple. HJ, HJ. Well, HJ has endpoints. It is a segment, and when it's a segment, we call that a chord. Okay, let's go down and look at arc HJK. HJK. More than half a circle. When it's more than half a circle, we call that a major arc. Okay, let's go to IK. Let's try IK. IK looks like a line. Yep, line. A line that goes through a circle in two places is called a secant line. Secant. Okay, and you can put line if you'd like, because it is a line. It's got arrows on both sides. Okay, let's do an angle. We haven't done an angle yet. Angle DOF. DOF. Ooh, it has the center. If it has the center, it is a central angle. Okay, central angle. Okay, let's do another one. Angle SQR. SQR. Ooh, if it's the vertex is on the outside, vertex on edge of the circle, inscribed angle. Inscribed angle. Okay? Let's go do some measurement practice. Oh, we got to draw one. Tangent. Let's draw a tangent. Tangent line PJ, where J is the tangent point. It can be anywhere you want. There's J. And we'll draw a line, and we'll put point P right here. So, tangent line PJ to circle O. Touches in one spot. All right? Okay, let's go down and do some math. Central angle indicated. Oh, central angle. Central angle equals the arc. So 85, 85. Okay? Central angle 126, 126. Okay? Central angle is equal to the arc. 140, 140, 130, 130. How about this? Since we're here, a circle has 360 degrees, and it's equal to 140 plus 130 plus the part we don't know. 360 equals 270 plus the part we don't know. Remember, I'm an equal sign. Got to keep it balanced. Subtract 270 from both sides. 90 is equal to the question mark. Nice. Okay, you try one. Now, inscribed. Inscribed. Inscribed angle is half the arc. Okay? So, 70 half 35. 160 half 80. Let's go the other way. If it's half, then we double. 99 double. 198. 41 double. 82. Okay? There any more? That's it. Hopefully that was helpful. Okay? We'll see you on Friday. Remember, no school on Wednesday because of Veterans Day. We'll see you Friday when we start four-sided objects, parallelograms. Bye.